Hello everyone, my name is Angela Barrett and I am a graduate student at the University of New England in the program Master of Science in Applied Nutrition, and here to introduce my research proposal, and the title is Effectiveness of a Community Gardening Intervention Program to Increase Vegetable Consumption and reduce BMI in African American women ages 50 to 60 years. I'll give you some information about the background. Obesity is on the rise and costs billions annually. It is one of the leading causes of preventable deaths in the United States. Persons who are obese have higher medical expenses. The health focus is now on preventing obesity through interventions. One of these interventions is community gardening, and it has shown to be a success in reducing obesity. The focus group is African American women because they are more likely to be obese because of their dietary intake and socioeconomic status. The aim of this intervention program, which is cost effective and comes with several benefits, is to tackle obesity among this group. Research question: can a community gardening intervention program increase vegetable consumption in African American women ages 50 to 60 years and reduce their BMI? And the objectives are: 1. To determine if a community gardening intervention program can increase vegetable consumption in African American female subjects, and 2. Determine if a community gardening intervention program can lower BMI in African American female subjects. The literature review. Behavior medicine promotes community gardening for improving health. Community gardening has many benefits, such as increased physical activity, access to fresh foods, and a green environment. It is also effective in reducing food insecurity. It can lead persons to eat more vegetables, exercising, and reducing their BMI. Studies have reported beneficial effects of community gardening on reducing BMI during a 12-week period. Community gardening intervention program was successful in reducing BMI in children. Studies have examined the strengths of community gardening. One study concluded that community gardening improved emotional well-being. Community gardening can have positive impacts on other health conditions. Thus, this type of intervention is holistic because it focuses on mind, body, and soul. One of the drawbacks of community gardening is that it may take long to see results. More research needs to be conducted to determine the true effects of community gardening on lowering BMI. A study population will consist of 54 subjects, and these are healthy African American females between the ages of 50 to 60 years, and whose BMI is 30 and above. Participants will be recruited from a health seminar. Method and experimental timeline. The study has a 6-month time span, and it is a pre-post experimental design that will be used. 3 BMI testing will be done: pre-test, that's before the study, intermediate, that is during the study, and post BMI testing, that is after the study is completed. The following interventions are part of the experiment: nutrition class once per week, cooking class twice per month, and gardening 5 days per week, and these will be done for the duration of the study. Anticipated results. It is expected that BMI will decrease from T0 to T1 in all participants. And it's also expected that BMI will decrease from T1 to T2 in all participants when the study is concluded. Anticipated discussion. The anticipated results will show community gardening intervention program increase vegetable consumption and reduce BMI in African American females ages 50 to 60. The anticipated results could also show reduced BMI between T0 and T3. This will indicate success of the community gardening intervention program, and the research hypotheses will be accepted, which is a community gardening intervention program can increase vegetable consumption and lower BMI. Ethical concerns. Informed consent explains intervention. It will explain the intervention, BMI testing, explain what a BMI over 30 means, and persons will be monitored for symptoms related to obesity. Limitations. The study time is increased for research. The original study was conducted with children. This will be done with adults, and it can change the results. Here are my references, page 1. And this is page 2 of my reference. I have come to the end of my presentation, and I hope that you found it to be informative and thought-provoking. Thank you.